Back we go, doing some more videos tonight. Sunday, March 7th. Let's look at T2, TTOO, T2 Biosystems. Yeah, this has been on a downtrend for a long time. Then August 2019 is really ramped up hard to 3. Short-lived though, went all the way back to 25 cents. That was the March coronavirus. 50 cents, went all the way up to 2. Strong move up. Then we found support here. Looks like around the all-important $1 level. If you draw a line right here, then it came out of this descending triangle. See that? 125. Big ride up January, straight up. All these dips were bought. One as high as 379. And we came down. Look at the bounces. Bounce, bounce. But the bounces were all lower. Look at this. 375. This went real fast to a low of 134. Big tail here. Is this over yet? 825 stochastics. Very hard to say. I mean, to keep this going, see this here, the low's getting higher. It needs to stop pretty much at 125, I would say. If you come back to 1, it doesn't equal it. So, that would be your last straw. And then it goes lower, forget it. If we bounce up, looking right towards all these bounces, what I'm looking at, right towards the 1320 EMA. When you're far away, you're going to bounce there. See, when you're far away the other way, see it far north? Look where the 1320 EMA is. You go right to that area, and then it's over. Once this move's made on this, you're trying to get right to that point. That'd be a great bounce on this. I think it'll happen too, soon enough. GTE. All right, this is Grand Terra Energy. Energy's been hot. It's dropped all the way below 20, bounced to 60, into 20 to 30 to 40. Look at the dips. 60, all the way to 120. And then now we're bouncing. Look at this bounce, bounce. Now you can draw a trend line here. It's got to get over basically 80 cents. We get back to $1. Yeah, it's turning up. Stochastics 18.47. Now the lows in here, look, see here the low. You're getting higher each time. Even on this, it's still fine, that dip. Could it go back to 60? Yes. That's a big move here on these lines, these trend lines. I like it. If you stop at 60, if it does, it'd be great support. So that would be my last straw. And then, you're just going further down. This one looks better. Like we're going to bounce pretty hard. And we can bounce up to 1 again. So I'd like that on GTE. You're very oversold again. Oversold is always good on a trend up. That's a dip. That's a pullback. Here's MVIS. I just got the 4. Bounced to 8, back to 6, and this grinded hard. Look at February, all the way up to 24. Imagine you bought this at 8. And on these swing trades, when your stock move like this, draw your line, you're looking at these charts, you go, okay, if it goes over, I see grinding here at 8, you have higher day, not higher day, previous high on the chart. And then look what happens. You take off, where it's going to go. This one from 8 to 24 plus 24.18. Again, we're going back and forth. Now look at this. Is this a flag? Back and forth, flag, back and forth, hammer down. 10-12. There's your low, about 10. If it doesn't stop here, you're going way down. They get 1396 stochastics, very oversold. I could see a move right up, and then we go to 18. Now, that's the problem. Is this the move is going to happen next week? It could. Futures are up pretty good. We're going to bounce up here. See, is this going to go to here and then back down? When's the move we're going to get out of this? That's a tough call right here. If you jump in too early, this might just keep going back or go back to here, this line, and then go back. And then you're not really out of that yet. So this one's a little tougher to read. You're still in this trend line, back and forth, until you firmly break it. So, be careful on that if you're playing it. All right, so that's it on these 3. Please subscribe to Mike Kim Trade. Smash the like button, leave comments. Are you in the stock? Comments about the stock, your thoughts. Instagram, Mike Frank 98. Stock Twits, Mike Kim Trades. Twitter, Mike J Trades. And that is it for this video. Peace.